Hi guys, welcome to Explain Me How. In this video, I'm gonna tell you that how can you delete a single contact from your iPhone easily and simply. It is a very easy and a very simple process, just you have to follow the steps which I am showing you and you will know exactly how to do it properly. So let's get into the video. So guys, I would like to tell you that you cannot delete multiple contacts at the same time. You have to choose a single contact in terms to delete it. So for that purpose, we have to select a single contact first. Let's open the contacts and then scroll down. You won't find any delete option. So you have to click on edit option. After clicking on the edit option, which is on the top right corner of the screen, you'll find the interface like this. You have to scroll down till the end, and in the end you will find your option of delete contacts. So you have to click it. After clicking it, it will give you a final option of delete contact. Just click it and your contact will be deleted permanently from your phone. This is how you can delete your contact on your iPhone. It is very easy and simple process. You can do it easily. Thank you for watching it. Consider like, share and subscribe the channel and also comment below.